Hello my friends, in this review we'll show you a knife from RUIKE. It's one of the most multifunctional model, LD51-B. So one of the most, but not most. Also they have 61 model with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, and 61 with one more line with one more tool, 25. In this case we have 23. So what we have here and what I want to show you. At first want to point it, it's not small tool, 260 grams totally, about 20 centimeters totally sizes, and here about 8.5 centimeters. With liner lock, with one hand operation, and with fixed in mid position. What does it mean? I can close it safely by one hand. Here we have glass breaker and this hidden tool. You see it. Also G10 here and here. This clip removable, and let's go until next. What we have here. Also by double line, so it means I open this tool for getting this. Let's see how it works at least, and I will comment all it, how it work. It's so for wood, for plastic. Let's see. So at first let's see it in outdoor. It's city using. Also I get it in some outdoor activities. It's little funny to listen really sound of birds in really wood. Just check it, and let's test it. For first testing, let it be scissors and carton. It's a hard test for those small and portable compact scissors, but it can be absolutely no problem. Let's make it more accurate, and let's go in. One more thing. Let's go into test main blade. It will be working from Apple. Not something very hard, cause it's soft steel on this blade, but it's full size blade. Can use it on any products. I mean, for one cutting bread or something like it, as you saw, for one cutting big size apple. Absolutely no problem. but take care about knife inside. It would be not easy to get some dirty things from inside. This tool, I think it's not very good to using. Maybe for something small things it can be useful for you. And let's check serrated knife. That's for something like cutting plastic or something like it. That's really powerful tool. You saw it. So it is device for a person who won't get all-in-one knife in one device with full-size knife from simple material. You should not take a lot of time about this device, cause no pitting, no something other with it, and also it can be useful for you in different things, like a scissor, like a DC knife, like something emergency tool, or like for working on food, something like it. But it's not be a perfect DC knife like the Spider, for example, or it's not be a really good multi-tool like this one, Laserman, and you should understand it. In description would be link for a little more info about this RUIKE, and also you can find link where you can buy it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. Bye bye.